Samsung has just dropped the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and trust me, this isn't just a phone, it's a powerhouse that might change the way you look at smartphones forever. From insane performance to jaw-dropping camera upgrades, the S24 Ultra is here to challenge every flagship on the planet. So, is it really worth your money? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the S24 Ultra screams premium sleek titanium frame, curved glass edges, and a display that will leave you speechless. You're looking at a 6.8-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED to X display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Translation: every scroll, every swipe, every game feels buttery smooth. Double quotes. The peak brightness goes up to an unbelievable level, making it visible even under direct sunlight. Double quotes. And yes, Samsung has made it even tougher with Gorilla Glass armor protection. This is where Samsung flexes. The S24 Ultra packs a 20MP main sensor, an upgraded 50MP 5x telephoto, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP 3x zoom. Double quotes. Whether you're snapping photos in pitch black night or zooming in on the moon, this phone delivers mind-blowing clarity. AI-enhanced photography makes your shots instantly better, even if you're not a pro. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, this beast is built for speed. Gaming, multitasking, heavy apps, you name it, it flies. And Samsung's AI features like real-time translation, live voice captions, and smart photo editing make the phone smarter than ever. With a 5000 mAh battery, you're easily getting a full day and beyond on heavy use. Double quotes. And with 4.5W fast charging, you can juice up to 65% in just 30 minutes. Plus, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are still here. Of course, the signature S Pen returns, making the S24 Ultra the ultimate productivity and creativity tool. Whether it's quick notes, precise editing, or even remote control features, the S Pen is still unmatched. Now the big question: should you buy it? The Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at around $1,199 depending on region. Double quotes. If you want the best display, best cameras, powerful AI, and the legendary S Pen, this is hands down the king of Android smartphones in 2024. So, what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Is it the ultimate flagship, or will you wait for the competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic tech reviews. Until next time, stay touchy, stay awesome.